the color of the clear sky blue? Answer. Reason: atmospheric scattering. Explanation: 1. The molecules of air like oxygen and nitrogen and other fine particles in the atmosphere have size smaller than the wavelength of visible light. 2. These are more effective in scattering light of shorter wavelengths. 3. When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the fine particles in air scatter the blue color, shorter wavelengths, more strongly than red. 4. The scattered blue light enters our eyes. 5. So, sky appears blue in color. Advanced sunrise. Advanced sunrise happens when the sun appears to rise earlier than it actually does. This occurs due to atmospheric refraction, which bends sunlight as it passes through Earth's atmosphere. When the sun is below the horizon, its light bends, making it seem like the sun has already risen. As a result, we see the sun before it reaches the actual horizon. This makes the day seem to start earlier than it really does. 2. Delayed sunset. Delayed sunset happens when the sun appears to set later than it actually does. Due to atmospheric refraction, the sun's light bends, making it look higher than it really is. Even after the sun has gone below the horizon, we can still see it for some time. This makes the day seem longer by keeping sunlight visible for a few extra minutes.